GlamEgo box, and this is how it comes. If you want to know what I have got, keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome to Every Little Thing Happiness. Wish you a very happy new year 2018. I'm wishing you right now because this is the first video of this year. I'm going to unbox today India's #1 subscription box, which is quite pocket friendly, and I am talking about the GlamEgo box. The January month edition is the no resolution GlamEgo box, and this is how it comes. Don't forget to watch this video till the end because I have a giveaway associated with it today. So let's see what all I have in my GlamEgo box this month. So this is how the box looks. A very colorful box. Now they say it's a no resolution box, no resolution theme box this month, and that is why there are a number of resolutions written which everyone keeps in the starting of the month. Now, when I open the box, I have the card, the monthly card, and the products in this box with some haze here. Now let me tell you what all I have here. The first thing I have is the BioBloom Skincare Face Oil. This is a face radiance oil. Now BioBloom is one of the top organic brand, and they have launched their premium face oil, which is for this radiant skin. This is for all skin types, and you need to take 2 drops of this oil on your palm, rub it and apply it on your face. Overnight, if you do it, this can work really well to keep your skin hydrated, give the essential oils and essential nutrients the skin loses in the day, and it has the age-defying qualities and has a radiance boost. So this is my first product. The second product I have is the McAfee face wash in the neem flavor. Now McAfee is a brand which offers paraben-free products. It has glycerin, neem, caffeine, vitamin E. This is quite a nice face wash. This is not the first time I've got it. I have got it in my previous boxes as well, and I really like this product. So this is something you can give a try if you have oily skin, and oily and acne prone skin, because neem is a clarifying agent, as all of us know. The third product I have is from the Natural Bath and Body, which is their Vital Nourishment Cream in grapefruit and vitamin C flavor. Now it is a moisturizing cream which lightens and brightens your skin. Anything which helps your skin look radiant is what, if you are looking for, then you can give this a try. So this is a 20 ml size. Couple of days, yes, it can go, and I have used Natural's Bath and Body's vitamin C face pack long ago, and it was really good, so I'm really hopeful this works as well. Now last product in the box is the Bella Voste's Perfect Gloss. Now I do not have much. I don't have many glosses, so I was really interested in getting a gloss. GlamEgo sends you a mail in the beginning of the month or just before your box has to be dispatched to choose a makeup product. This is the shade I have chosen. It's called Pop of Pink, and let me swatch it for you. It's a gloss, so this is how it looks. Quite creamy and very sheer. If you want to have coverage, you can't expect that from a gloss. But then glosses are really nice in summers. No, I am looking forward to trying this later. So this is what I've got in my GlamEgo box. I have 2 GlamEgo boxes this month, and I'm going to give away one of this to you guys. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment below why do you want to win this box. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you like this video and do take part in this giveaway. The rules of the giveaway and the date when I'll be announcing the winner will be given in the description box below. Until next time, see you guys. Bye bye.